145 for fish, 165 for ground meat and poultry. So what we're going to do is open this up. We're going to give a reading for the fish. It's done. And then we're going to give a reading for the chicken. And it has to go for another 4 degrees. That one is done. Instant read thermometer. It's a meat, poultry, fish, veal, whatever meat you cook with. An instruction guide. Different temperatures of the foods you are cooking with. Comes with the 2032 battery spare, your meat thermometer, and self-adhesive Velcro stickers. This has a backing that is magnet. It has the probe which snaps into the body. When opening the probe, it tells you the temperature. Has a light that lights up in a bluish color. You can hold the temperature and change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. On one of the sides it tells you the different meats. About 165 we're going to see how our turkey and chicken burgers are. We are on Fahrenheit. Now we're on Celsius and back to Fahrenheit. When we hit the light, and to shut off the thermometer, just close the probe. It shuts off. It snaps into the body, so the point will not hit you. If you want to hook it to the barbecue, stove, wherever, it has a magnet. On the back, if you need to change the battery, put a coin in and twist off. We're still cooking. As you could test the temperature, we have a little way to go. Depending on how you like your food, you could check the temperature, and that tells us we're done. So there you have it, meat thermometer. If you want to check the temperature and you want to read it safely, hit the hold button and then release and then press in, and there you go. Meat thermometer does a nice job telling you the temperatures and when your food is ready. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.